cart?
I'm gonna change this front speaker in my 2010 Toyota RAV4.
Oh.
But it's embedded into the panels. So you have to take out all of the panels, then take this big section off, and then change the speaker, then put everything back, and then go to the other side.
There you go. There you go. Holy fuck. Nice. Hell yeah. Press it full. There you go.
Okay.
You just grab this clip.
I think it, yeah, I was gonna say it looks like it lifts up now.
Boom. Alright.
Garbage?
So these gotta get pushed in.
Are these garbage?
Yeah, we don't need them. That'll be our final last TikTok.
So next we're gonna cut the speaker out of the holder.
Okay, that works too. Oh! If we connect the clip in, then that means pink is positive and purple, violet, they say, is negative. So this one's negative. There. Those.
BeeMobile first upgrade.
All soldered.
Wow.
So next step, we're just gonna screw this down.
Shake it.
We trim down the bracket here so the speaker can fit. I'm gonna use a self-tapping screw.
Wow.
When you bought it?
That I
Probably wasn't. Oh, this side. Just have to slide it over this ledge once, and then it should just pop in. Grab all the screws, right? Yeah. Get them through the hole. Boom. The speakers were completely blown before, and you can see they're garbage. And let's see. Knowledge. Knowledge is power.